Power up confidently wherever adventure takes you. The best solar power bank charger delivers unmatched energy on the go, harnessing the sun's strength for limitless convenience. Stay connected, charge faster, and embrace sustainable power no matter where life leads. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Kepswin 49,800 mAh solar power bank charger. The Kepswin 49,800 mAh solar power bank charger delivers a highly functional, cable-free charging experience designed for users who rely on multiple devices throughout the day. Its 4 built-in data cables eliminate the need to pack extra wires, while 3 additional ports allow a total of 5 devices to charge simultaneously, making it ideal for travel, camping, or emergency preparedness. The massive 49,800 mAh capacity provides extended power support, and the lithium polymer battery has passed UL, CE, FCC, RoHS, and UN 38.3 certifications, ensuring stable, safe operation under various conditions. With 4 integrated solar panels providing up to 1280 mAh and significantly higher solar efficiency than traditional single-panel chargers, this model stands out for outdoor reliability. It also includes a powerful LED light offering normal, SOS, and strobe modes, making it especially useful for nighttime safety or emergency signaling. Whether used for smartphones, tablets, or other electronics, the Kepswin charger offers consistent performance and rugged dependability.
Number 2. BLAVOR 45-watt solar power bank charger. The new BLAVOR 45-watt solar power bank charger builds on the brand's long-standing reputation for durable, outdoor-ready charging gear. Engineered with premium materials and a real 20,000 mAh battery capacity, it supports fast and efficient charging for the latest smartphones, tablets, and even lightweight laptops. The upgraded USB-C 45-watt output and 45-watt input deliver significantly faster performance, enabling full recharges in as little as 2 hours with compatible adapters. Wireless charging support, up to 15 watts, adds convenience by enabling cable-free power delivery to modern devices. With 4 built-in cables, wireless charging, and 3 port options, this charger supports up to 6 devices at once, making it a practical option for group travel or shared use. Its strong capacity allows multiple recharge cycles for flagship phones such as the iPhone 16 and Galaxy S24 Ultra, while the compact design remains easy to pack. Overall, the BLAVOR 45-watt unit provides an optimal mix of speed, versatility, and reliability for daily use or outdoor activities.
Number 3. BLAVOR 20,000 mAh solar power bank charger. The BLAVOR 20,000 mAh solar power bank charger is designed for users who need a multifunctional device that combines power delivery with outdoor utility. With 4 built-in cables and 3 additional ports, it offers power for up to 6 devices at the same time, including a dedicated wireless charging pad for Apple Watch users. The 20,000 mAh capacity supports multiple charge cycles for phones, tablets, and laptops, while the 20-watt USB-C fast charging capability significantly reduces downtime. Beyond charging, this model integrates 7 accessory features, including a camping light, flashlight modes, compass, thermometer, carabiner, and rope, transforming the unit into a practical survival tool. Its rugged ABS plus PC shell and silicon reinforcements provide shockproof, waterproof, and dustproof durability suitable for harsh environments. This charger is a strong choice for hikers, travelers, and emergency kits due to its combination of power and multi-purpose functionality.
Number 4. Saraupup 49,800 mAh solar power bank charger. The Saraupup 49,800 mAh solar power bank charger provides fast, flexible charging with its upgraded Type-C 5V/3.1A output, enabling quicker power delivery across nearly all mainstream devices. Designed to support up to 6 devices simultaneously, it features 3 ports and 5 integrated charging cables, along with wireless charging capability, making it highly adaptable for families or multi-device users. The high-density 49,800 mAh lithium polymer battery offers a long lifespan and hundreds of recharge cycles, supplying sustained power during outdoor trips or emergencies. The built-in intelligent safety system protects against overcharging, overcurrent, short circuits, and voltage irregularities, ensuring stable operation while preserving device health. The integrated LED flashlight with steady, SOS, and strobe modes adds practical value for camping, night travel, or home emergencies. Offering strong performance and broad compatibility, the Saraupup charger is a dependable option for extended outdoor use and daily reliability.
Number 5. ERSZOO 73200 mAh Solar Power Bank Charger. The ERSZOO 73200 mAh Solar Power Bank Charger is engineered for power users who require high-capacity, multi-device support and laptop-level charging speeds. With dual 100W USB-C ports, it can charge large devices, such as a MacBook Pro 16-inch, to 50% in about 40 minutes, and can fully recharge itself in approximately 2 hours using a 100W wall adapter. Its 4-port configuration supports fast charging for laptops, tablets, cameras, and mobile devices simultaneously, while pass-through charging allows the power bank to deliver power while it recharges. The rugged build incorporates waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof materials, aided by dual LED flashlights and a built-in compass for outdoor navigation. The 73200 mAh battery ensures high endurance for extended trips, making it suitable for camping, business travel, and fieldwork. The device provides stable, intelligent power regulation to protect connected electronics and maintain reliable functionality in demanding environments. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.